Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by exploring Wix templates to find the right structure. Wix offers over 800 templates across categories to jumpstart your site design. Filter by industry, layout style, or desired number of pages, and preview templates on desktop and mobile. Pick a template by industry, layout, or desired number of pages like 1, 5, or 10, then note fonts and palettes you like. Remember, you can change templates within the same editor template family without losing core content. But switching outside, a family requires rebuilding sections. Open the Wix editor and start customizing elements directly on the page. Use the editor to change text, images, colors, and layout in 3 steps. Select, edit, preview. Replace placeholder text and images with your own assets and set fonts, headings, and body text consistently for accessibility and brand clarity. Use the Add panel to include sections, contact forms, or an online store, and adjust spacing with the drag handles. Add apps from the app market and preview changes in desktop and mobile views before saving. Before publishing, run Wix SEO Wiz and enable site optimization. Enable Wix SEO Wiz and follow the setup prompts to optimize titles and meta descriptions for search. Enter a clear meta title under 70 characters and a meta description under 160 characters, and add alt text to images for accessibility. Test every link, form, and payment flow, preview on mobile, and set up analytics. Finally, connect your custom domain. Choose a plan if needed, and publish after testing so your live site is fully functional and indexed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.